This video is supported by LEVO Oil. What up, guys? I am Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro and your personal cannabis and infusion machine expert. I got a great video for you today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make infused gummies using the LEVO gummy mix. And we're going to use the infused oil that we made in the LEVO C. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we're going to make these gummies. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our LEVO gummy mix. We're going to put it inside of here. Remember that one pack makes 2 trays. So if you want to do 1 tray, do half the pack. We're going to turn on our hot plate. And this is 6 tablespoons of water. And we want to bring this up to a boil. There we go. All right, so now that we got it boiling, we're gonna cut it down and let it simmer. Now let's turn it down to a simmer. And we're going to stir this for 4 minutes. All right, so our 4 minutes is coming up. We're going to take it off the heat and put in our oil. There we go. We're going to take it off the heat. We have our LEVO trivets right here. And we're going to put in our 4 tablespoons of our LEVO oil that we made. Stir it in. All right, guys, so you can see it's a great consistency now. The oil is not sitting on top of the mixture. It's all mixed together now. That's what we're looking for. And the LEVO molds come with these droppers, but these droppers, they work great, but I just think it's a lot easier using the Flexi measuring cup. So you guys know I got my Goodies 420 Flex measuring cups. And I always use these whenever it comes to doing gummies and stuff like this, because it's a lot easier just to pour it as opposed to doing the dropper. And while I'm doing this, if you want to get any of the gummy mixes or you want any of the LEVO products, I do have a discount code in the description. Click on the link, use the discount code to get a 10% discount on any order at levooil.com. You want to move with a purpose, but you also don't want to waste, so do it as fast as we can. All right, so now that we have our gummies inside of the molds come with these lids. I'm going to put these in the freezer and let them set up for 24 hours. Technically, you can take these out after a couple hours, maybe 3 or 4 hours. But I found that if I let them set up for 24 hours, then I get a better result. So that's how easy it is to do the gummies. I'll see you guys in 24 hours. I'm gonna put these in the freezer. All right, guys, so it's been 24 hours later. And here's a little pro tip for you. If you over pour your gummies like I did, because the molds are non-stick, you can scrape the top of them, and that way you can actually fill up both molds instead of 1 1/4 like me. I got a cupid of OG on me. It's on me. I got an ounce of live resin on me. I got my papers and my rig is on me. I got these diamonds and this rosin on me. I got a pint of this syrup on me. It's on me. I got these edible, these gummies on me. I got a pound of moon rocks, it's on me. It's on me. I got a half pound of hashes on me. But that's it. That's how easy it is to make infused gummies with the LEVO gummy mix. Not only are they potent, but they taste amazing. There's no artificial flavoring in the LEVO gummy mix. Everything is natural and it tastes great. And on the LEVO website, they have edible decorations that you can put on your gummies if you want to spice it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy my content, come join me on Patreon. We would love to see you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.